G'day, welcome to another curriculum burst. Here's an interesting probability question for high schoolers. It goes as follows. A bag contains 2 red and 2 green beads. You reach into the bag and pull out a bead, replacing it with a red bead regardless of the colour you pulled out. What is the probability that all beads in the bag are red after 3 such replacements? Okay, that was a long question. Let me go through it again. A bag contains 2 red and 2 green beads. So we've got a red bead, a green bead, and a green bead. What are we doing? You reach into the bag and pull out a bead. Out comes a bead, and you replace it with a red bead, no matter what colour you have pulled out. So I pull out a red one, back goes a red one. If I pull out a green one, back goes a red one. All right, red beads always go back in. What is the probability that all the beads in the bag are red after 3 such replacements? Okay, so how could I do 3 moves and get all red beads? For example, I could just pull out a green right off the bat, replace it with a red. Then I could pull out the second green, replace it with a red, and then I guess it doesn't matter what I pulled out next. In fact, it's going to be red. That's one way to get 3 red beads in the end. Okay, I suppose I could just go through all those possibilities. I mean, I feel like I wasn't quite sure what I'm really doing with this question. I'm just sort of flailing, engaging in successful flailing, strategy number 1. But let me go through all the other options. Because another way to get 3 red beads at the end would be to pull out a green, then pull out a red, and then pull out the next green. That would do it. Those 2 greens got pulled out and replaced with reds. Oh, there's a third one. Pull out a red first, then pull out a green, and then pull out a green. There's my terrible handwriting, but that's it. That's all the cases. So I guess we're asking for the probability. The probability that either this happens, or this happens, or this happens. Aha! This is feeling good. Can I work out these probabilities? What are the chances of me pulling out a green, and then a green, and then a red? Well, initially, this is what we have in the bag. So to pull out a green and a red, I first have to pull out a green. There's a 1/2 chance of doing that. And then pull out a green. Now think about it, if I pull out a green, red's just gone. There's 1 green left out of 4. So to get the next one being green, there's a 1 in 4 chance of that. And then everything's red, pull out a red for the third stop, absolutely certain. Oh, so I can work out that probability. And I bet we can keep working out these probabilities, combine the result, and get a final answer. I bet we can work out the chances of getting 3 red beads in the end. Cool. In fact, why don't you try it? Why don't you actually do the numbers here, and then let's compare answers. Look at the essay that goes with this video. I worked out this problem too there. In fact, I have an extension problem too, which is kind of interesting. This can lead to some good ideas. All right, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. For more curriculum inspirations material, go to our website. Lots of great stuff there.